Find or read reviews that people are talking about SVBONY TransAir2 HDMI wireless transmitter and receiver, 4K. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. 4K wireless transmission, long-distance HDMI wireless transmitter and receiver support up to 4K 30Hz output, clear and smooth images, quality sound videos without noise. Bringing an enjoyable view experience. Real-time view and play, long-distance 4K wireless video transmission system only has 0.06 second latency, you won't miss any moment, whether in real-time games or sports programs. Plug and play, no need for additional software, long-distance 4K wireless video transmission system is easy and quick to set, connect the transmitter to the HDMI and the receiver. Increasing the ease of use. Infrared remote control, get rid of the cable trouble, long-distance HDMI wireless transmitter and receiver control the source devices conveniently, when you are in different rooms. Long transmission range, adopting 5 GHz standard transmission technology, 4K wireless video transmission system can transmit smoothly in 300 meter or 984 feet for open areas. Make transmission fast and efficient, the distance will be affected by the environment. Compatibility, 4K wireless video transmission system supports 4 receivers connection simultaneously, no matter which room you are in, operate the set-top box flexibly and conveniently. Type-C power supply, 4K wireless video transmission system features a standard Type-C port, connect the 5V, 2A adapter, optional, to supply the power, increasing the convenience. Reset setting, HDMI wireless transmitter and receiver can be rematched quickly, press the reset button for 5 seconds, display waiting connection is successful. Devices compatibility, SVBONY TransAir2 transmitter ensures compatibility with PS4, PS3, Xbox, computer, laptop, TV box, receiver is compatible with TV, monitor, projector. Electronic whiteboard, increasing the variety and flexibility of use. Applicable occasions, SVBONY TransAir2, 4K wireless video transmission system can be used widely, including but not limited to, home theaters, business conferences, church parties. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.